Hey glitter girlies, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Blue, aka the Rizzler, and if you ask anybody who knows me in real life, they'll just say, yeah, Blue is she's just so good. Like, she's always like flirting with people and effortlessly cool and like always getting asked out because she's just so good. And everyone wants to know my secret. Like, how do I keep getting all these dates? How is everyone just falling in love with me? And you know what? You're in luck because I'm going to tell you today. I have the perfect DIY for you to get your crush to immediately fall in love with you. Yeah, this totally, definitely 100% works because this wasn't a joke at all. Like, this is really serious. Like, this is gonna work. So for this video, you will need a pair of socks. I have these white socks that I got from the dollar store. It came with 6 socks in the pack, so the pack was about $4. You will also need some flowers. I'm using fake flowers today, but you could also use real flowers. You'll need a needle and thread, hot glue on standby. I also will be using a technique to mimic the plasticky, shiny eye look of regular stuffed animals by using thumbtacks and black paint. But if you don't want to do that, you can just use a different colored fabric for the eyes. Okay, let's get started.
A thumbtack like this should work pretty well. You're just gonna want to cover that. Set that to the side. I'm gonna make a cat today. Before you seal your stuffy up all the way, you're going to want to first turn it inside out. And I want the limbs to be weighted, so I'm going to use some rice in the arms and legs. If you don't have rice, you can just use your leftover stuffing for the whole thing. But you could also use beads, beans. Now I'm just using the sock clippings to stuff the body. We're gonna turn it back inside out and start sewing along this seam, but leave just a little patch open so that we can stuff it. this is the final product.
Our baby is done. And yes, you heard that right. He's our baby. You are the other parent. We need to take care of him, or you at least need to pay child support by liking and subscribing from this video. I hope your Stuffy turns out just as cute and wonderful as this one. If it works, then you should say in the comments if your crush said yes. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day, a great February. Stay cool. Bye.